In this video, we'll explore in detail how to use the costing database. Open up the costing database to Step 2, Base Case Specifications for Energy-Related Components. In this case, we'll look at the base case wall assembly. The current configuration reflects a code-compliant wall in BC under the BC Building Code. Depending on your jurisdiction, you may have different requirements. To change the specification, click on the individual cell you want to change. Click on the arrow to activate the drop-down menu of options. Scroll through these options to find your preferred option. You can also add additional components by clicking on a blank cell within the specification column. You must also retrieve the relevant quantity from Step 1, Geometry of the Home. Press the equal button in the appropriate quantity column. Click on Step 1, Geometry of the Home, and then select the appropriate value, in this case the total wall area. Verify that the quantities have been entered correctly. You'll notice that the unit costs have been populated with values from Step 3, the Builder Costs and Specs, which we will customize next. Let's go to Step 3, Builder Costs and Specifications. The more accurate you are with these costs, the more relevant the cost comparison will be at the end. To change the description of an existing specification, click on the cell and edit the text in blue. Please note, if you change the description after having selected it in Step 2 or Step 4, you will have to go back into Step 2 and Step 4 to reselect your new description. To change the costs, click on the blue text and edit accordingly. To add a specification, click on a blank cell underneath the appropriate category. Insert your description, insert your units of measurement, and insert your costs. The total cost will populate accordingly. We recommend saving your template regularly, whether for each project or when you update your costing or assemblies and systems. Step 4 is the comparison function of the costing database. The database has been populated with technologies requested by builders through the BC LEAP workshops. These can be adjusted to suit your performance requirements by following the instructions in the green step-by-step help boxes. First, describe the innovative system to be compared to the base case in cell F2. Next, confirm that the base case system matches the base case specifications found in Step 2, Base Case Specifications. You'll notice that the insulation that we added earlier is now present. Scroll down to begin customizing your innovative technology. Click on each individual cell that you want to change. Click on the arrow on the right-hand side to activate the drop-down menu. Scroll through the drop-down menu and find and select your preferred options. You can also add additional components by clicking on a blank cell in the Innovative System column. Once again, open the drop-down menu of options and find and select your preferred option. You will need to find the relevant quantity in Step 1, Geometry of the Home. This can be done manually, or by clicking on the column, pressing the equals button, clicking on Step 1, Geometry of the Home, and finding and selecting the appropriate value. Verify that the quantities have come through correctly. When you are satisfied that the base case technology and innovative technology are shown correctly, and that the builder costs and specifications have been input accurately, you have now finalized your initial cost impact. You can use these steps to create a series of specific upgrades to understand the cost implications of integrating different systems into your homes. This can be one of many.